Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, October the 6th, 2023. Already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Sudoku number 7226. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. But it has an indication of 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Cannot see any single boxes here. No single boxes. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? Yes. See here, triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 2 is already given, so those 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, alright. More triple boxes, no, quadra boxes then. I see here, quadra box. Cannot fill those numbers, need more information. Insufficient information right now. Here, another triple box. Cannot fill those numbers. So, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever, you name it. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. This one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Here another one, there another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Here also this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Okay. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? If you flip this, you will get the Z. This is the S construction. Let me draw this here. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. In this case, it's a 4 here. Here another one. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. 2S constructions. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Yeah, let me draw this shape, or this shape. Yeah, it's the same but mirrored. Okay, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. Here another one but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. It's a 2 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle, yeah. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting. Filling those numbers, these 3 boxes. surround a 5, can be a 5. That box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, these two boxes can be 1, we have a double 1 there. These two boxes can be a 2, we have a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 in this area. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Well, we have a double 1 here and a double 2 here. That means that those two boxes can be double 1, double 2. So the double 1 and the double 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. This box is connected with that box, will be so 1 and a 2, and this box is connected with that box, will be 1 or a 2. The other two numbers in this area should be the numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. 3 and a 4. Alright. So in this S construction, we need a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 5. Those two boxes can be 5. You have a double 5 there. If you place a 5 here or here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 5 in this area should be here. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. Yeah. Let me see. These two boxes can be 5. Those two boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me see. These three boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2, and this quarter box should be here. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4, and this quarter box should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. 1 and 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 3. Alright. Let me see. These two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So what are the other two numbers in this area? Should be the numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 or a 2. We have a 1 now. So this box can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. Is also connected with that box, should be also 2. And I've eliminated the 1 here, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quarter box should be here. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 4 goes there. Then this box cannot be 1 or a 3. We have a double 1 there, double 3 there. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 4. Alright, then this box can be 1, this box can be 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box will be a 3. And this box will be a 1. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Then, let me see. Well. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1 is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Well, now we have 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. One box left in this quarter box for number 1. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 5 and 1, 5 and 1. Alright. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well. Come on. Well, this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Need to think. 1 and a 4. Need a 4 here. 1, 2. No. 3. Need to think here. 1, 2. No. I need 2. I need a 2 here. 2, 3, and a 4 I need here. 1, 2, 3. This box will be 4 or 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. 4, 5. 5 and 1. Okay. 1, 3, 5, 2, and the 4. Well, this box, I think it should be a 2. Because can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be a 4. We have a double 4 there, and a double 5 there. Yeah, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. That means this box can be 4 anymore. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 and 3, we have 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 2 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. And now, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4. We have a double 4 there, and can be a 5. Yes, definitely 3. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These. Oh wait, we already have a. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 1 there. Because if you place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1. Then. But we already have a 1 here. So no. Not a solution to place the 1 there. 1 is supposed to be here. Then. Yeah. Let me think. Come on. Need a 2 here in this area. Yeah. Place the 2 here. Cannot be a 1. These two boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 4 here. Because then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. But we already have a 4 here. No. Not a solution to place the 4 here. The only place left for the 4 should be here. Then let me think. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box should be 2 or a 3, because it can be 1, could be a 2, could be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, yeah. 2 or 3 is connected with that box, 2 or a 3. So here we need a 4 in this area. Here can be a 4. We have a 4 here. Only place left for 4 should be here. These two boxes can be a 4. Those two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Okay, I know. No two, no one here, no one there. One. Yeah, these two boxes can be a one. That box can be a one. So the one could be here, could be there. Well, I'm stuck here, I believe. 4, 5, need a yeah. In this area, we need a 3. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So one box level 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left here, the 4 and the 5. Okay. 5 and a 1. 4 and a 5. 2, 5 and a 4. Oh, here can be a 4. So the 4 should be here. We have a double 4 there. Come on. This box can be a 2, so this box can also not be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5 is connected with that box, should be also 5. 4 or a 5, 4 or a 5, we have a 5 there. So this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 5 and a 1, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. 4 or a 5, we have a 5 here. So this box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. Then these 3 boxes, 1 and 5 can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 2, 2. Well. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. It's connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area, 1 and a 3. Yeah. Let me mark those. Then, yeah. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left with the 2 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Then 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. Then need a 3 here. 3 and a 1. Well, here can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here. And the 1 goes there. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. So 1 box left in this area for number 3. Finished in 18 minutes. Wow. I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Is this video 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. For 3 stars, I need more than 20 minutes. So let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute. No, it's the last puzzle. It's the last puzzle for today. So I will see you tomorrow. It's weekend. Yes. So have a great and fantastic Friday. See you tomorrow on Saturday. It's weekend. Yes.